Alright, today's the day. We're getting new tires put on the wheels. They're all ready. Alright, let's do it. We're here at Discount Tire and ready to get sweet new tires. Alright, the guys at Discount Tire hooked me up and the wheels look great. They've got new shoes, new rubber anyway on their shoes. They're ready to go on to the MGB. Yeah, so good. Thanks again for Discount Tire, Justin, for helping me out there. He said they mounted and were balanced with no problems. They're holding air, and these are brand new tires. A little bit taller than the other tires, but he checked with his manager and he doesn't think they're going to rub. So these should work just fine. So again, this is awesome. I can't wait to get these to DeSoto and pick up that MGB. Alright, we're here. Oh, wow. This has not seen daylight in many a year. Here, let me get my gloves on to help you out. Holy cow. Whoa, look at that. It's actually not that bad. Any creatures? Not much. Wow, look, Steve. Want a hat? Oh yeah, we saw that last time. That was in the trunk.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's four on the ground. You don't have to worry about that.
That'll be, we'll keep that as a memento.
Woo! Look at that. Hey, the doors still work? Are you for real?
They should.
I guess we should put that stuff in trash bags, or...
Do you have a big trash bag?
Trash bags?
Like an
Black trash bags?
like an outside trash bag? That way they should not end up in your neighbor's yard. Here's the battery.
Oh, it's the battery?
You can see it says, caution, jump starting. Down there.
Oh, man. Okay, so there's a battery. Okay, well let me get the other wheels. We gotta pop the wheels back on. The doors still work. Brian's here helping out. Check it out. Wow. This has not seen daylight in 30 years. Let's check out that battery. Yeah, there's the battery. Awesome. Got it jacked up on that side where I did that hole, and Brian's putting on the wheels. And yeah, we're gonna do this side first, and then we're gonna jack up the other side. So let me get my tripod, show you guys what we're up to.
I think it's in neutral now.
Yeah.
I think it is. And the guy that I work with,
It felt like it was in neutral. Is it?
oh, but the other wheel's on, so if it's
If it's solid axle, then
Or he said the coldest he's ever been was when he moved one time.
and I don't know if it's but we don't have to work it that too much because we're not actually driving on it.
Because there was no way.
Oh,
That's just surprising. But yeah, it blows. It's like when
alright. Put her down.
Alright, you ready? Be here. You don't feel it. It's blown. Man, look at that. 2 real tires.
actually, let me.
Hey, you know what? That's a big ass skeleton right there.
Where?
Right there by your jack. See the teeth?
What?
See it?
No.
Skeleton of what?
See the white thing? Right there on the other side of your jack. That white thing with the big tail and the teeth.
Oh yeah, it's a possum.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah, it's a possum.
Not that big?
It's a possum skeleton.
I wonder what happened to it.
Here. Show.
Oh, I see what you're saying now. I see the
Yeah.
eye. I see the eye.
Yeah, and it's got these big old sharp teeth in there.
Yeah, that's definitely a possum.
Well, yeah, go reaching back in there.
He got me.
I do. I see, you're right. I see the teeth now.
Yeah, that is hilarious. All right, let me just take out this one last block.
You probably got.
Oh, you had blocks underneath the suspension? Did
Yeah, under the.
you already get the one out front?
Yeah, that I had it on my.
No, out of the front.
On the front, yeah, and this is just a piece of wood. Now we can let her down. Let her down easy.
Where's the other two bags in the truck?
Yes.
I can't believe that body don't have more rust on it.
Yeah, that's the worst of it right there.
That's what I was just on this side. That's all
Yeah.
I saw that right there. You had it covered up though, pretty good, I guess. For
Yeah,
long.
you did.
That rust is probably from Green Bay because they sold all the roads up there. People refuse to buy a new car up there.
There we go.
Hold on. All right, viewers. Does it go? Oh, you need it higher?
No, the brick's back there, so the bottom of the tire would move.
Oh, I see. Oh, this one. Oh, crap. This is a little.
You need to go more?
Yeah. Maybe. Let's see if I can make this.
Actually, just leave that.
Well, yeah.
And then just straddle.
I saw you.
Get the jack to straddle out there.
Blocking.
Hopefully the brick won't break.
Yeah, right.
There. Runs her hair and goes and roast.
There we go.
Well, they sent somebody out and they got him out. Down to the plywood.
Dude, it is on wheels. All right. All right.
What kind of wood are they using?
Alright, so I believe this is
I probably do, maybe. It has to be the gas.
Alright, so it's not budging even though it's in neutral and the parking brake is off. So we think the rear brakes are seized. And so we're going to try just holding it until it pops. Okay, so that's the idea now anyway. So that's what look at that thing. That thing is a tank.
It sounds like it.
That thing won't drag anything out of anywhere.
Mocha se lo va a llevar. What all extra bricks in your house? What's left over?
And that's why they left them.
We're going to drag it out of here.
So I can go to the
Alright. We're dragging it out of here now. Let's see how this works. Let me give you guys a prime spot here. You can see all the action. And is it recording? Yes, that's it.
See if you can turn the steering wheel.
It's as far as it'll go. Go ahead. Keep going. Yeah, their rears are stuck. Okay, try it. Yeah, it's stuck. It's totally stuck. Yeah.
Hey, John, you have to move that little drag. John, watch that tree stump.
Okay. progress report. Me and Brian, we went to Whataburger, got everyone food. We also went to Harbor Freight, picked up some dollies so we can drag the thing around. So that's kind of where we're at now. So let's see how this works. Picture. All right, we're back. So we brought some dollies. That's the car in the alley. Neighbors are being very positive about this. So let's get that car moving and get everyone some Whataburger lunch.
There you go. Oh, like that. Now I see what you're saying. Sorry, I'll butt out.
No,
I
you're
thought
good.
I would have bet what's in my pocket. Y'all had it right.
Once he said that, I went, oh yeah, shake your fingers. The wheel's on.
Truck will stop it.
I know. I don't want it to make my truck look any prettier.
I'm just messing with you. Yeah, I had one yesterday. I said that was the first time in a long time.
All right, so it is up on dollies. Okay. Oh, but you still have the shocks.
I
Right?
didn't. It's not gonna come back this way.
Yeah.
But it moves.
All right.
I didn't mess it up.
All right, so AAA to the rescue. We've got the MG here on its casters. We moved it over here. AAA to the rescue. We're gonna load it up. Awesome. So this chunk is letting it slide. That is a sweet sight. Check this out.
I don't know. He did. Hey,
Yeah.
how much are the tires?
The tires were like 300 and something with mount and balance.
Total? All four?
All four, yeah. 380. Yeah. 380. Yeah.
You want to try and put the dollies underneath them?
Sure. Sure. Hey. Everything is a hazard for Brian.
Yeah. We were laughing because he can walk right underneath your dad's tree in the backyard. I can't.
Takes your head off.
No, I hit it twice.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Well, you know what? The dollies aren't going to go under. Because the other one, there was a lip, so we could put them underneath there. Then we have to jack it up.
Yeah. doing there? Isn't that cool?
What are you taking up what?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Hang on. Wait for me to get it off.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This is what's fun here.
All right, we're coming up.
We're coming up.
Yeah, he's gonna jack up the car.
Oh, he's gonna jack it up. All right.
Oh, wow.
Good, can you go up the pole?
More, now a little more. Good. Good. Good, no more. Just no more. Right there.
Okay. Look at that. It is in here. We've got some well-deserved drinks. And yeah, that thing is home. And we're gonna be working on it and getting it to run. So the dream is coming true.
And then I believe these are. What is that?
You might wanna not breathe so far. Oh, there's like ants and roly-polies and
You can see the ground in there.
that's probably
Just by the battery back there. Like
yeah.
that cover goes here.
Yep.
I thought this was is this a floor mat? But it's like stuck on.
It's a
Oh, you know what?
It's the foamy mat to sit on. Right?
Yes, it goes.
Yeah, not very foamy anymore. Oh, jeez.
It goes just like that.
Oh, good. I think I need new foam. Pretty sure, right?
That's not foam. That's just carpet.
Yeah. Wow. You remember this stuff, Krista?
I can't believe it's here.
Yeah.
I can't believe that much crap stayed in the floor while driving that trip.
Yeah.
There's an ice scraper. We may need to scrape some ice. Wow.
Does the visor work at least? You're about to buy one of those.
Hey.
All right. Hey. All right. There's
We're moving up in the
$35
world.
that I've just saved.
Well, you're gonna need new visors. The glass is crap and it's torn.
You tried to open the doors?
Yeah, they open. Go
They
ahead.
do?
Yeah.
They do.
They do. They need a little oil or grease.
That is fascinating.
See if the window roll up.
Gently. It ceased. Really gently.
Is it
You want to roll it like away
There you go.
from
There you
yeah.
go.
There you go. Hey, analog. It works. Now
You might. We're going to buy one of those anyway.
wow, it's a time capsule. It is actually a time capsule in here.
This is what, a year older than you, Sean?
It's 1 year older than me.
Then
Yeah,
they're both of you, right?
and it's 1 year older than Krista. Yeah.
Looks like he's 30 when.
I like how the gas. Yeah, it's gonna creak a bit. I like how the gas. You put the gas in here and it goes right through the trunk, right there. That's the gas line, or the gas inlet.
Where's the thing for the hood? Where's the hood release?
I don't know.
Holy cow.
You ready?
I don't know why it's
I
not.
don't either.
Okay. Yeah, we found out where it.
Nothing's tickled my finger yet.
Let's do it. Oh.
Oh, there have been animals in here.
Oh.
There have been animals in here.
What is all? Oh, that's supposed to be on top of the.
That's the here, but all those bags
Yeah.
and stuff, those has been put there by animals.
Animals.
Is this thing supposed to?
Yeah, it has a lock, I think.
Is it locked?
Yes.
Yeah. Still take away then.
So this all should be attached
wow.
to this, but it is not. And all of these were put here by animals for
That's the least of
nesting.
your worries because if these have been in here,
Yep.
then I almost wouldn't trust any of those electrical wires at all.
Yeah.
Yep. This needs some good old elbow grease and all kinds of other kinds of greases and fluids.
This needs a whole lot of elbow engine.
This doesn't even have a radiator cap. What is this? No, that's not a radiator. That's just the receptacle.
Yeah, that's the hood. This is
Where's
your
the
radiator
radiator?
cap.
Oh, there is the radiator. That's a weird place for a radiator cap.
This is your overflow.
Okay.
Then it hooks to this.
Hooks to this.
Is that
guy.
your overflow? That's your.
Overflow. And apparently there is an engine under here. What? Oh, gross.
Oh, that shit can go right in the garbage.
Yeah. Oh my.
What the hell is that?
I don't think anything can scare me anymore here.
Oh my god.
This is, we asked for a project car.
You know those yellow gloves?
pretty
you put
sure
on, like
we
the
got
wash dishes,
one.
like the old style. You're gonna need to give him some of those so he can clean
Just
that.
to clean this bay.
Because there could be carcasses in there. Like a.
And this is a inline 4. And good luck rotating that water pump. It's like nested on, literally, and rusted. Well, yep. Well, we got it here. That was the plan. And we're gonna fix it up for old Krista.
Triple windshield wipers.
Triple windshield wipers.
Saw that? Isn't that awesome?
It's like a mutant car. What in the
Good
world?
old British engineering.
It's so short. You put short wiper blades
This
to go up and
car-
down, so it's not going to cover the whole way. So you got to put on 3.
Weird. Well, this is a project and a half right here. This here. Does it accommodate tall people? Well, there. This one? Oh, hey, a random. Oh, that isn't that the?
That's the shitty rest.
Yeah, it fell in. It fell in.
Wow.
No. Man, good luck getting this to run, huh?
Wow.
Good old elbow grease. That's what I'm saying.
And you got the wheels for the hard part.
Hey, at least we have good access. Yeah, I'm gonna need some new carpeting. New everything.
That's where they used to put me in the car seat.
Used to have
Back
a
in the
car
middle.
There was a
right
car seat that fit that?
Jeez, that's just reckless parenting right there.
I enjoyed it. I didn't care.
Wow.
Sure, I
Alright.
sat to enjoy my ice cream
Yeah.
in my car seat.
And what's all this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, poop. Lots of poop.
Lots of poop.
A good deal of poop. I don't want to breathe in. I'll have
Many
to-
generations of living in this vehicle.
Yeah, I'll be wearing a respirator when I clean out this car. In the world. And look at this. So 21,543 miles. That's it. Original miles. This engine's like new, except it's rusted, like a 40-year-old engine. It's new and rusted. It's great. Wow. Wow. Well, I don't know if you know what you've signed up for, but you signed up for a lot of weekends of helping me fix this thing.